আমি আপনাদের কাছে নমস্কার করে বলবো প্রাইম মিনিস্টার স্যার, যদি আপনার এনি রাগ, আমার ওপর কোনো রাগ থাকে, আপনার দুটো পা ধরলে যদি আপনি খুশি হন, আই হ্যাভ নো প্রবলেম। If Prime Minister tell me, you touch my feet, I will help Bengal, that also I am ready to do. But please don't humiliate me like this. Don't insult me like this. Don't defame about Bengal without knowing the case. One-sided manipulation, news manipulation you are giving from the PM house. And you are pressurizing the press to carry out that news. That is not correct at all. Why? In Gujarat last week you went there. Why you not called opposition leader there? It is your state. Even Odisha also opposition leader was not there. In my state, whenever you come, you create some confusion and always you create some confrontation. Why? 3 times. Sir, with your kind permission, may I leave? Along with my secretary. Sir, with your kind permission, may we leave? Sir, with your kind permission, may we leave? After that, we went to Digha and we convened meeting and all this. There was no seat inside the Prime Minister wherever he was sitting. Only his seat was there and side seat was there for us. So what was the need to sit there? When I have seen there are so many political parties are waiting who are not even entitled to attend the PMCM's meeting. Now who violated the norms? How many meetings will attend? My chief secretary, my home secretary, my finance secretary. They are attending every meeting. From Prime Minister to Home Minister to Cabinet Secretary to Home Secretary to all. They have shown some vacant chair. It may be earlier, it may be after that. It's a fact that there was no need to sit there that time. Even when I took oath, within a minute, Governor gave the statement against a statement regarding law and order. I took oath, within a day, they have sent central team to visit West Bengal. They have shown some vacant chair. It may be earlier, it may be after that. It's a fact that there was no need to sit there that time. Because the meeting, earlier it was decided, PM and CM, but later on, it was totally revised list has been given where Honorable Governor, Central Minister I have no objection. Then MLA, then opposition leader, what they mean. So the big BJP party and I am alone. And the meeting is not PM, Prime Minister, Chief Minister. Then I thought that, okay, whatever it may be, Prime Minister when he came, landed our jurisdiction of our state. So let us meet, or it is our courtesy and it is constitutional provision also. So myself along with my chief secretary, we entered the room with their permission. And there we said, look Prime Minister, we have to go to Digha. The weather is not good. We are coming from too far. We have already visited the cyclone affected areas like Sandeshkhali, Hingalganj, Minakha, Harwa. Then we went to Sagar, Namkhana, Pathor Protima. We have visited. And after that it was very difficult to come to Kalaikunda. The weather was not permitted. Instead of that we have taken risk because to meet you. So we came from Kalaikunda, from Sagar to Kalaikunda. And from here we have to go to Digha. So if you don't mind, sir, we want to hand over you the briefing of the regarding cyclone and our project report and whatever we have the report received till now, we want to hand over to you. That's why we came to meet you. Then I hand over it to Prime Minister and he has taken it. And then I said, sir, with your kind permission, may I leave? Because our weather is not good, so I have to go to Digha because we have the meeting is been fixed there. Because all the people, all the press people, you were aware that Digha there is an administrative review meeting. Then with his permission we came. Now you tell us what is our fault. Why we didn't enter the meeting? We didn't attend the meeting? The meeting was not. What was decided earlier, PM-CM meeting, it was not. The revised list I have with me. There itself said, the Honorable Governor will be here, the ministers will be there, the opposition leaders will be there. Okay, look, I have no problem. But you tell me, why 2 consecutive years you have not recognized the opposition political parties in Delhi Parliament under your guidance? If you have so free and fair. Number 2, why in Gujarat last week you went there? Why you not called opposition leader there? It is your state. Even Odisha also opposition leader was not there. In my state, whenever you come, you create some confusion and always you create some confrontation. Why? Even when I took oath, within a minute governor gave the statement against a statement regarding law and order. I took oath, within a day they have sent central team to visit West Bengal. I took oath, within 48 hours they have sent National Human Rights Commission, National Women Commission to visit. After 72 hours they sent their political party leaders also, central ministers also to the area. But you know, whatever happens, small sporadic some incident, it is not in my time. It was then under the Election Commission's purview. And when I took oath, 5th of May, after that, we didn't allow any incident to occur. We tried our best to control the situation. আমি এরকম আমার মতো জায়গায় বসেছিলেন আর এখানে দাঁড়িয়ে আমি আর আলাপন বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় কতক্ষণ ওনার সাথে কথা বলেছি, সেই ফটোটা কোথায়? আর আপনাদের তো কারো ক্ষমতা ছিল না যে প্রাইম মিনিস্টার হাউস যে ফটো দেয় এছাড়া কোনো ফটো দেওয়ার ক্ষমতা আপনাদেরও নেই, কারণ ইউ আর নট অ্যালাউড। আপনাদের শুধু লিঙ্ক দেয় আর ফটো তৈরি করে, ফটোশপ তৈরি করে।